Hello, fellow keto enthusiasts. Welcome back. Today we're diving into a delicious world of sweet and guilt-free indulgence with mini keto cheesecake bites. Imagine a dessert that's creamy, packed with flavor, and still aligns perfectly with your keto lifestyle. We're talking about a dessert that's completely sugar-free, yet so tasty that you'd never guess it. These bite-sized delights are not just a treat for your taste buds, but a testament to how versatile and enjoyable a ketogenic diet can be. These bite-sized delights are creamy, sugar-free, and oh so irresistible. Let's start with the ingredients. You'll need some almond flour, a bit of melted butter, cream cheese, erythritol, or your preferred keto-friendly sweetener, a dash of vanilla extract, a squeeze of lemon juice, and a couple of eggs. Each of these ingredients plays a vital role in creating our bite-sized delights. They work together to bring about a creamy, sugar-free treat that's not just keto-friendly, but also irresistibly delicious. These are your key players for today's sweet treat. Begin by mixing almond flour and melted butter. This duo makes for a fantastic keto-friendly crust that's both delicious and easy to prepare. Just combine these ingredients until you achieve a crumbly texture. This is the foundation of our mini keto cheesecake bites. Once you've got that crumbly mixture, it's time to shape the crust. Press this mixture into the base of your muffin tin cups, creating a firm and even layer. And there you have it. A simple, tasty, and keto-friendly crust ready for the filling. Now let's whip up the creamy cheesecake filling. You'll want to grab a bowl and add in your cream cheese. Then sweeten things up with some erythritol or your preferred keto-friendly sweetener. For a hint of flavor, pour in your vanilla extract and a squeeze of fresh lemon juice. Now crack in your eggs. Here comes the fun part, mix it all together. You're looking for a smooth, well-combined mixture. And there you have it. Your cheesecake filling is ready to go. Mix until smooth and well combined. Pour our luscious cheesecake filling over the almond flour crust. It's time to introduce our creamy concoction to its almond flour bed. Using a spoon or a small ladle, gently ladle the filling into each muffin cup. Be sure to distribute the filling evenly among all cups to ensure a uniform bake. Don't worry about filling to the brim, as our cheesecake bites won't rise like traditional muffins. Just aim for a happy medium. Ensure each cup is filled evenly. Bake your mini cheesecakes in a preheated oven at 325 degrees Fahrenheit or 160 degrees Celsius for about 20 to 25 minutes. You'll know they're ready when they're set, but still slightly jiggly in the center. Nothing beats the scent of freshly baked cheesecake filling up your kitchen. After they're done, patience is key. Let them cool at room temperature for a while before moving them to the fridge. After a few hours, or once they're nicely chilled, they'll be ready for the finishing touch. To make these even more irresistible, you can top your mini keto cheesecake bites with some fresh berries or a dollop of keto-friendly whipped cream. It's all about adding that extra touch of decadence. Fresh raspberries, blueberries, or strawberries can provide a refreshing contrast to the rich creaminess of the cheesecake. If you're a fan of whipped cream, make sure it's sugar-free to keep it keto-friendly. A touch of vanilla extract can elevate the flavor even more. And there you have it, your mini keto cheesecake bites ready to be devoured. Oh, the creaminess. These mini keto cheesecake bites are a true keto dessert dream. Each bite is a delightful fusion of rich cream cheese and a subtle sweetness from our keto-friendly sweetener. The almond flour crust adds a wonderful contrast with its slightly nutty flavor. It's hard to believe that these indulgent treats are low-carb and sugar-free. Truly a guilt-free pleasure for all the keto enthusiasts out there. Thanks for joining me today on this delicious journey, and until next time, enjoy your guilt-free keto indulgence.